Hey, come on now.
Announce is the best,
Come on now.
reliable,
Oh,
and trustworthy.
oh,
Thank you. Patronize them.
oh.
You will never regret them.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
That's what we do. Thank you, guys. Hey, guys, it's Moses from Anonymous Property. We've just completed on another property, and we're here with our clients, and we completed on a special day for them on Valentine's Day. We called it the Love Home. How do you both feel?
I feel happy,
Yeah.
excited.
Wow. I mean, it was a journey
It
to get here. It was a journey to
It
get here,
is.
but we fought through.
Yes.
I mean, we
did.
fought through it. It was a change, 7.
Yeah.
Wow, 7.
Okay.
It was a battle to get it, but one thing I love about this story is that no matter what you go through in life,
Yeah.
literally you just have to fight through, and that's exactly what they did. They fought through, we fought with them. It was literally a battle to get their home, but now they are new homeowners. They live in a beautiful neighborhood. They love their home, and this is what we do for people. We help people to buy properties across the whole country, and we work with you. Take care, guys.